guys, so May is Asian American Pacific Islander Heritage Month, and this year I'm celebrating by partnering with Mally Beauty.
Mally Beauty was actually founded by Mally Roncal herself. She's a celebrity makeup artist, and because they are an Asian American Pacific Islander founded brand, I wanted to team up with them.
AAPI Heritage Month is very important and meaningful to me. Even though I've lived here my entire life, I never truly felt that I belonged in the communities around me. I love that we are now spotlighting and celebrating all the amazing people and stories that are happening in this community.
I actually immigrated here from Korea when I was just 3 years old, so I've been living in this mix of the two different societies for the longest period of time. Still a big journey to find out who I actually am.
Growing up, all of my Asian friends and I found that Western makeup trends didn't necessarily look good on our faces. And in the early beauty influencer days, there was very little Asian representation. So I spent a lot of time learning everything I could about Asian makeup techniques and developed a fresh makeup style that flatters Asian faces so that my Asian girls could feel beautiful too.
It's really a time to celebrate the different cultures that make up the Asian community, along with the many talents and contributions Asians have made.
Being Asian American myself, it's a huge part of my identity. I love being bicultural.
Mally Beauty will be donating 10% of proceeds from their bestseller kits to an AAPI organization, Asian American Arts Alliance, during Asian American Pacific Islander Heritage Month, the entire month of May. Not only are these Mally's bestsellers, they are also beautiful, and also you're saving so much money and also supporting a great cause during AAPI Heritage Month. Go check it out.